Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts. This protects electronics. Next, remove the dash trim around the steering column using a plastic pry tool so you don't scratch panels. Once the trim is loose, identify the light switch assembly. It's usually behind the headlight stalk or in the dash cluster. Make sure to set fasteners and clips aside in a tray so you don't lose them. And note connector positions before you touch wiring for reassembly. Now you'll disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the retainer tab and pulling straight back. Doing this prevents bent pins. Once unplugged, remove the mounting screws or release the retaining clip that holds the switch in place, keeping track of screw sizes. After fasteners are out, pull the switch assembly straight from its housing, wiggling slightly if needed to clear tabs. If the switch resists, double-check for hidden screws. Forcing it risks breaking plastic alignment tabs. To finish, align the new switch's tabs with the housing and press firmly until it seats or clicks, because proper alignment ensures correct mechanical and electrical engagement. Reconnect the electrical connector and then the battery negative terminal. Once power is restored, test parking lights, low and high beams, and indicator operation to confirm everything works. If a function fails, make sure the connector is fully seated and check fuses. If still faulty, inspect wiring for damage or swapped connectors before assuming a bad switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.